Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight light bulbs. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Now the good thing is you don't have to remove the front bumper and you don't have to completely remove the headlight to be able to replace the light bulbs. These vehicles have access points in the inner fender just above the tire. Okay, so right now I'm at the driver's side, the left side, and I will show you the inner fender. So just above the tire you'll have this cover which you just have to turn, and then you will get access to the light bulbs. Now this cover is held by one screw which is right here, and that's a torx T20. So first you want to remove this screw. One more tip, while you are doing this you can also turn the steering wheel left or right to get more space to work, right? So if you turn the wheel all the way to the right, that should give you more space to squeeze your hand in here. But even if you don't do it, there's plenty of space to work. So you will need a torx T20 to remove it, right? Okay, once you have the screw out, then you should be able just to turn this cover and remove it. Okay, now to get access to the main bulb, you'll actually have to remove this black cover as well. You also have to turn it counterclockwise. If it wasn't removed for a long time, it might be a bit hard to turn it, but it's doable definitely. Okay. See? And now here you have access to the bulb itself. Now same thing, to remove the bulb you just want to turn it counterclockwise as well. I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it, but there's not really lots of space here. Okay. Here is the bulb, right? And that's it. Just unplug it here, plug in the new bulb and turn it clockwise, put back the cover and install this screw back on, and that's it. Very easy to do actually, once you know how to do it. I've seen some videos where people suggest removing the bumper, then removing the complete headlight to get access to this bulb, but no, that's not the way. That's why this is designed so you can access it from this side. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.